everyone! Today I'll be making 3 types of face masks featuring 3 different clays. Stay tuned! First up, we have Bentonite clay. I'll be using 1 tablespoon Bentonite clay with 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar and 2 teaspoons water. Bentonite clay has been used for centuries to detoxify the body by absorbing toxins from the body, as well as improve skin tone. The apple cider vinegar in this mask helps to balance the pH of the clay to be more in line with the acidic pH of skin. Apple cider vinegar also has many great benefits for skin, and it helps to give this mask a smooth texture. One thing to note when mixing bentonite clay with liquids is that you should use non-metal utensils. Now for this mask, when it is applied, it will cause the skin to tighten as it dries. This may result in a pulsating effect on the face, but this is normal, don't be worried. If irritation occurs though, please discontinue use. Our second mask will feature Kaolin Clay. This is a mild clay and is not as absorbent as bentonite clay. As such, for this mask I'll be using more clay, so that's 3 tablespoons to be exact, to make a similar amount of final product as the previous mask I made. And the ingredients for all the masks I'm making today will be listed below, so if you want to check out the amounts that I use for each mask, go there for that information. Now I'll be using rose water as my liquid. Rose water smells amazing and is useful for treating acne, eczema, and psoriasis. I'll start with 1 teaspoon of rose water and I'll eventually work my way up to about 3 teaspoons. It's better to start with a small amount of liquid and work your way up to your desired consistency. I like my masks to be a creamy consistency so that it doesn't drip when I apply it to my face. Now, as Kaolin clay is less absorbent than bentonite clay, it is great for sensitive skin as it won't dry the skin out as much. I would say it's also great for dry skin, but each person is different, so definitely test it on your skin to see if it works for you or not. Our third clay is gonna be Dead Sea clay. This clay is said to help remove toxins from the skin, provide gentle exfoliation, and revitalize tired skin. I'll be mixing it with some homemade aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is widely used as a herbal remedy for topical skin conditions and is known to heal the skin from a variety of minor ailments. My gel is a bit cold and it's also a bit slimy, so it will be a bit hard to combine with the clay. However, just continue to mix and it will still be fine when applying it to your skin. Note that I used different liquids for each mask. However, you can mix and match liquids to different clays. You don't necessarily have to use aloe vera with Dead Sea clay or rose water with Kaolin clay. You can mix and match as you choose. The only exception to that is I'll say that for bentonite clay, I always use some apple cider vinegar as it does help to lower the pH of the clay, as I mentioned earlier. So there you have it, 3 easy masks to make at home. Apply each mask to damp skin for 10 minutes or so. Once the mask has dried, remove it by rinsing with warm water. If you have sensitive skin, I suggest doing a patch test first, and again, if irritation occurs, definitely discontinue use. Of these 3 masks, my favorite is bentonite clay. I have normal to oily skin, and when I use it, it leaves my face smooth, clear, and it dries up any pimples that I may have. If you have sensitive or dry skin, again, I recommend using either the Kaolin or the Dead Sea clay masks. Alternatively, you can combine bentonite clay with a milder clay for an overall milder mask. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up below and subscribe to see more DIYs like this one. See you in the next video.